our first look at Mudgee. Discover the country charm and award-winning wine-growing region of one of New South Wales' premier inland towns. Your wine tasting adventure begins with a visit to 3 of the finest wineries of the area, with up to 10 tastings at each.
Is that the Cab Sav?
That's the Shiraz.
Drive half an hour north of Mudgee to the 19th century gold rush town of Golgong. Take a snapshot of the $10 hotel, famous as the pub, appearing on the original Australian $10 note.
How was Golgong?
Excellent. Nice little spot. We love it.
See the incredible array of honey products and other goods at Honey Haven.
It is a low GI honey as well, so it breaks into your system slowly.
Only 10:30. We're a bit late starting today.
Try mead, the oldest fermented drink known to mankind. The High Valley Cheese Company expert leads you through 9 handcrafted varieties of artisan cheese, which are all proudly made in the traditional manner at their boutique factory. Your Mudgee wine tour continues with a visit to 2 more wineries.
Come to a Chardonnay in a minute called The Source. The reason it's called The Source is because Mudgee was the source for Chardonnay in Australia.
Leaving country New South Wales behind, you climb back across the escarpment to Pearson's Lookout, with views over the glorious Caper Tea Valley.
It's 1 kilometre wide of the Grand Canyon, but not as deep. It's supposedly the 2nd largest canyon in the world.
Stop at Blue Mountains and see the famous 3 Sisters illuminated in the night sky.
The winemakers seem to really go out of their way to make us feel at home, tell us all about the wines, and really generous service as well.
Very impressed with the historic buildings that were in Mudgee, and I think a walking tour of Mudgee would be a plus.
For me, it was having the cheese and the honey haven as well. There's a real diversity of stuff to do.
The wine, the Chardonnay in particular, terrific.
Commentary driving up was fun. The vineyards were superb, particularly the one with the Italian wines. I didn't know we did so many Italian wines. The whole weekend was fantastic, so I recommend it.